Podia is a platform designed for creators to sell online courses, digital products, memberships, and more. Here's how to use Podia effectively. Sign up and set up your account. Go to Podia and create an account. After logging in, complete your profile with information about your business. Create your first product. On the dashboard, click Create and choose the type of product you want to offer. Online course, digital download, or membership. Follow the prompts to set up your product. For courses, you can add modules, lessons, and multimedia content. For digital products, upload your files. Customize your store. Personalize your storefront by adding a logo, description, and branding elements. You can customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your style. Set pricing and payment. Set a price for your product or offer a free product. You can use Podia's built-in payment processing to receive payments. Market your products. Use Podia's email marketing features to create newsletters, sales funnels, and automated email sequences to promote your products. Sell and track sales. Once your product is live, track sales and engagement through the Podia dashboard. You can also manage customer communications and offer support.